If your pipe springs a leak and you need a quick fix, these tips can help you get by until you can get a permanent repair in place. Now, to stop the water immediately, shut off the main water valve. Next, you'll need to figure out what kind of material your pipes are made from and choose a repair product that's compatible. Here are some indicators to help you identify what you've got. Now, this is a piece of galvanized piping here. It's typically silver, and you'll see it run for hot and cold water. White PVC can be used for cold water, drain, and vent. CPVC is yellower in color, and it can be used for hot and cold water. Then, of course, there's copper piping, which comes in different sizes, and PEX piping. Typically, red is for hot and blue is for cold water. Find the source of the leak to see if it's in the middle of a run or at a joint. Fiberglass wrap or patch products are usually water activated. Mix the ingredients in the package and wrap the leaking area. Now, when it cures, it hardens like a cast. Epoxy putty is activated when you take the two parts and knead them together. Dry the surface of the pipe, then apply the putty over and around the leak and let it cure. Self-fusing silicone tape bonds to itself as you wrap it around the leak. Stretch it to get it tight. Overlap each pass and wrap it beyond the leak on each side. This should only be used on minor leaks or low pressure pipes. When you go back to do the permanent repair, it's easy to remove because it won't adhere to the pipe, only itself. Repair clamps can work well on a leak in the middle of a pipe run. Choose one made for the same size pipe. You need a snug fit without over-tightening the clamp. Place a rubber gasket against the leak. Put the clamp in place around the pipe and tighten the clamp. A compression coupling seals up against the edge of the pipe as you tighten it. Use a hacksaw or a pipe cutter to cut out the damaged section of pipe. Slip in the coupling and tighten. Push fittings require a couple of tools specific to the manufacturer. Remove the damaged section of the pipe. Use the deburring tool on the edges. Slip on the coupling. Use the special tool to adjust, and the connection is secure. Here's some more helpful advice. An emergency fix can get you by temporarily, but you want to get a permanent repair in place. Even a small weakness in your pipe can give way to a disastrous leak. And if you're trying to sell your house, you'll need to have a permanent code-compliant repair in place. Pay attention to the instructions on the label. Now, if your leak leads to a drinking water supply, make sure the product is safe for that use. Check to see if the product is compatible with the material the leaky pipe is made from. Don't even consider these repairs for any leak in your natural gas pipes. Contact your utility company if you smell gas or suspect a leak, and have a licensed professional do the repair work. For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood ACE and find us online at acehardware.com.